Craig's got a job today of fixing our issue we have with our drawers. These keep coming loose when we're driving our motorhome, which is a Jayco Conquest 2021, is that right?
Correct. Now these drawers, they work really well. They lock in, they're good. But the screw inside comes out. It gets loose as we travel.
Don't say that.
Now, that comes off, that's fine. And then this,
oh, that
see
thing
how
goes loose.
Loose it is? It's not even in there properly.
It wasn't even in there properly.
So what I've done,
so what he's going to do
is I get a little bit of silicone. Oh, it's dried up, just a second.
Silicone, don't get it on the oven top.
So I just get a little bit.
Ew.
Stick it in the hole.
Of course you stick it in the hole.
Pretty good at this.
Sticking wet stuff in the hole. And screwing. And grunting at the same time. Why are you sticking it? Oh. And then
See
you're
how
pull
far
it.
that screw come in?
Oh, okay. So now it's gone in more.
So where it's supposed to be, but it won't come out now because the silicone's on there.
Ah.
So now that's good.
Yeah.
Now you gotta stick that back in there.
Then you gotta stick it back in a bigger hole and attach that back on. And voila!
And not quite voila.
Not
tighten
voila.
it half.
Tighten it half.
Because you might have to come out of the hole again. That works, so that's fine.
Ah.
So then I'm gonna tighten it right up. And every single cupboard.
We have a lot of cupboards here. See, we've got some up there.
Test it.
Some there.
Test it before you close it, because you'll never open it again if that doesn't work.
Oh, so make sure. Yay! Fixed. See all these drawers? Oh, hello, girls. What are you girls doing? Are you watching? All these cupboards up here and along there and along there and along here and along here and up here and up here. And the reason why Craig is doing this is because originally this one wouldn't open because that screw would come loose. And if this one wasn't here,
I wouldn't have never got into it.
I don't know how he would have got into it because he opened this one to get access to this one. So now he's a bit paranoid and he's doing them all. Well, not paranoid.
Well, that screw that you just saw him take out, it was just about out.
Yeah, so we're thinking it's just a vibration thing.
That one's fine. That one's right in there.
Vibration problem that happens to some of them.
Tight.
That
But it
one's-
seems to be the drawers and those cupboards.
Ah, not these big ones
Well,
so much.
I suppose we don't use these much. We use these all the
Oh,
time.
we use all that. Yeah, okay.
Mm.
So,
Right, move
Problem
over. Let me
solved.
start screwing again.
okay.